Hi, in this tutorial I will show how to create a plot inside the GUI, how to automatically save it as image in the current folder, how to set up the check boxes, and how to include a logo image or any other image inside your GUI. You'll get the idea along the way. In the previous tutorial I was explaining it from scratch. Now I won't waste my time on that. If you are completely new to GUI making, watch my previous video. Let's start. Here is how it looks. The button will be used to generate a random set of 10 numbers and derive two new sets from it. One will contain squared numbers and the other will contain root squared numbers of the original set. Pay attention to tags in the property inspector. Small axis with a tag logo will be a space for image import. Save.tif checkbox will determine if you want to save the plot to .tif and print it inside the GUI or just print it inside the GUI only. Axis 1 will, of course, be a space for the set plot. Two checkboxes will switch between two generated sets and determine which of the two sets will be shown. Unprogrammed, it looks like this. You must include the picture for logo inside the current folder. I have put the code for logo inside the GUI opening function. In this way, it will be executed in the beginning and through all the program activity independently. Axis function defines the plot with a logo object handles.logo. Imread function loads the image. Image function interprets the image, and the axis off switches off the marks on X and Y axis. Generator callback is for the button. Variables A and B are defined as global variables because they will be transferred to the other functions. A and B sets are calculated every time the button is pressed. Save's callback won't be programmed because nothing is supposed to happen upon its checking. When it is checked, the handles you get from it have value 1, and when it's not, the value is 0. This will be used in the two following callbacks. Inside this callback, I first declare the global variable A that will be used. After that, I set the handles of the square checkbox to 1 to disable the case of unchecking. Whether it's checked or not, if you click on it, it will be checked. After that, if the other checkbox, root, is checked, I uncheck it to enable just one at a time of two checkboxes. Next if statement depends upon save checkbox. If save.tif checkbox is checked, that means that we want the plot to be saved as a .tif image inside the current folder. Figure opens the plot. The set will be stemmed, which is discrete plot. Title and labels are sorted. X-axis limits are set to make the graph look better. Try without this line and you'll see what I mean. Save as function saves the named image, and in the end the figure window must be closed. After the save, the plot is done again in the GUI. The previous figure is opened only for the purpose of image saving. For the root checkbox's callback, the code is similar. Check it out. Let's test it. Everything works, the images are being saved. The logo looks cool. That's about it. I hope you find this video useful. You can check out my other channel if you are into ambiental recordings. Bye!